Good morning. Welcome to SSVP News. Today's news read by Nidil Latish of Class 8. International Anti-Drug Day is today. Sri Shankara Vidyapitham observed the day with lots of awareness programs. Clubs formed in our school to enrich the progress. 2 students of our school secured Certificate of Merit from CBSE. Kirti KK and Anjana PK bagged top marks in the board examination last year. Vayanavaram celebrated in Sri Shankara Vidyapitham with lots of programs. Fit India quiz arranged in our school and 3 students were selected to participate in the preliminary round. Olympic Day celebration was a wonderful experience in Sri Shankara Vidyapitham school. It was inaugurated by international volleyball player Mr. Kishore Kumar. School celebrated International Yoga Day and World Music Day with colorful items. Yoga Day was inaugurated by Dr. Narayanan Puducherry. Music Day became vibrant with the melody of music. Blue Day celebration of KG students will be on 30th June. Onam editions and Garden of Medicinal Plants are in progress. Sri Shankara Vidyapitham School started classes of abacus, music, drawing, physical education and yoga. News in detail. International Anti-Drug Day is today. Sri Shankara Vidyapitham School observed the day with lots of awareness programs. We arranged different types of competitions: poster making, collages for high school students, cartoon competition for senior secondary students. For the students of lower class, it's their choice. Mono act of Sri Ranjini, skit of Shweta, Nubura and Kavya. A story presented by Tirtha, Pooja, Arya Ashok, Kirti KK and Ridunanda. Gayatri done a wonderful speech on the topic. Sanavya of class 8 presented her own cartoon animation video which says the importance of the day. Our principal, Mr. Rajan Kodakad, provided the school to be away from drugs and led the struggle against the use of drugs in his speech. The Anti-Drug Day was celebrated this year is inaugurated by Mr. Sadish Kumar PK, Circle Inspector of Excise.
ശ്രീ ശങ്കര വിദ്യാപീഠം സീനിയർ സെക്കൻഡറി സ്കൂൾ മട്ടന്നൂർ നഗരഹൃദയത്തിൽ തന്നെ തലയുയർത്തി നിൽക്കുന്ന മട്ടന്നൂരിലെ ഒരു പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ സ്ഥാപനമാണ്. ആയിരക്കണക്കിന് വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ ഈ വിദ്യാലയത്തിൽ നിന്നും വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം നൽകി പുറത്തയച്ച് പല മേഖലകളിൽ അവർ ഇപ്പോൾ ജോലി ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയും അതുപോലെ അവരുടേതായ വ്യക്തിമുദ്ര പതിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ സ്ഥാപനത്തിൽ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട എല്ലാ ദിനങ്ങളും ആചരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് എന്നറിഞ്ഞതിൽ ഞാൻ വളരെയധികം സന്തുഷ്ടനാണ്. അധ്യാപക ദിനം, പരിസ്ഥിതി ദിനം, അതുപോലുള്ള എല്ലാവിധ ദിനങ്ങളും ഈ സ്ഥാപനത്തിൽ ആചരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട മറ്റൊരു ദിനമാണ് നാം ഇന്ന് ആചരിക്കുന്ന ലോക ലഹരി വിരുദ്ധ ദിനം. ഈ ദിനത്തിൻ്റെ സന്ദേശം ഉൾക്കൊണ്ടുകൊണ്ട് എല്ലാവരും പ്രവർത്തിക്കണമെന്ന് ഞാൻ അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ വിദ്യാലയത്തിലെ അധ്യാപകർക്കും അനധ്യാപകർക്കും മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റിനും വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്കും ഈ വിദ്യാലയവുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് നിൽക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ ആശംസകൾ അറിയിക്കുന്നു.
And welcome's address was given by Kirtana Suresh. Different clubs formed in SSVP to accelerate the progress of the students. Literary club was inaugurated by famous educationalist and Sahitya Academy executive member Mr. E.P. Rajagopalan. It is our privilege to say that 2 students of our school, Kirti KK and Anjana PK, secured Certificate of Merit from CBSE for their outstanding performance and for being among the top of 0.1% of success candidate in the board class 10th examination 2020. Sri Shankara Vidyapitham Senior Secondary School celebrated Reading Day with a week program. Lot of students and teachers contribute much to widen the importance of reading. Mr. Kukanam Rahman inaugurated this program. Principal Rajan Kodakad, Padma Shri Mattanur Shankarankutti Marar, Mrs. Purnima speech during the reading week. Under the guideline of Sport Authority of India, Fit India quiz conducted in our school. 3 students get eligibility to participate in the preliminary round. They are Parthan Pramod of class 10th, Manav Giridhar of class 9th and Jisna Jidesh of 8th. Olympic Day celebration was on June 23rd. International volleyball player Mr. Kishore Kumar inaugurated the celebration with an inspirational speech. The need of making our body fit emphasized in the speech of our principal. Our physical education trainer Mrs. Shiba PK gave valuable advice to the students. In her speech, Sania Sadish of class 12th, Amshit of class 9th and Lamia Siraj of 11th did their valuable role to make the program a great one. Yoga Day and Music Day both are interconnected and interlinked. In order to smoothen the mind and body, we observed the both. Yoga Day celebration was inaugurated by Dr. Puducherry Narayanan. He had given the importance of yoga in day-to-day lives with a valuable speech. Our manager, Mr. C.H. Mohandas, presided the function. Principal Rajan Kodakad said about the magical power of yoga in our life. Both the program enriched by the wonderful speech and songs of our students. As the part of Color Day celebration, it is the Blue Day celebration for KG students will be on 30th June. Onam edition and Garden of Medicinal Plants are in progress. Housewise Onam edition will be published in our school. In order to make a garden of medicinal plants, students are protecting their plants at their home. We, SSVP, the School of Innovation, started classes of yoga, abacus, music, drawing and physical education in this session. Sports news. India's legendary sprinter Milkha Singh passed away. Antonio Guterres re-elected as UN Secretary General. This is the end of this bulletin. Thank you.